Meaning of diesel oil.
Diesel oil.
Diesel oil.
Diesel oil.
Diesel oil. Diesel oil, also known as diesel fuel, is a type of fuel derived from crude oil that is commonly used in diesel engines. It is typically denser and has a higher energy density than gasoline, making it a more efficient fuel for certain types of vehicles. When burned in an engine, diesel oil produces energy that is used to power the vehicle. This energy is released through a controlled explosion in the engine's combustion chamber, which drives the engine's pistons and ultimately moves the vehicle forward.